Are your bump stops worn out and old and brittle like this? This video is going to show you how to save over $20 per bump stop replacing them. Let's get right to it. Are your bump stops old and crusty like this one? Well, ours are pretty nasty. We have a 1972 GMC Jimmy, which is the same as the mid-70s Chevy Blazer, as the mid-70s four-wheel drive K10. On the four-wheel drive trucks, they use this on the front and the rear, and we decided we were going to replace ours in the restoration process. So we started looking around, Brothers Trucks and LMC, and all of them have them for about $36 per bump stop. And I thought that was pretty outrageous for these, so I started shopping around, looking around on Amazon and some other sources. And Amazon had these listed on site. They look the same, but they said they don't fit my vehicle. And this is a GM part number 3764438. So I ordered some. They're only $11 each. So I figured I'll take a chance at $11 and see if they fit. Pull them out of the box, and lo and behold, they are identical. There is no difference in these bump stops. So you can get the genuine GM part on Amazon. We'll have the links below for $11 and some change, versus Brothers or LMC or some of these other sources charging you $36 for the same thing. So we hope this little tip has enabled you to save some money. Actually, if you're replacing all four, this is going to save you about $80 in your build, and you're going to get nice, fresh rubber. So when your axles do bump into the chassis, it's not going to be a solid jar. So thanks for being with us at the Full Octane Lodge. If you found this video helpful, share it with your friends, come back often, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel and enjoy the Full Octane life.
Oh, wait, I almost forgot. Our legal team made me promise to display this disclaimer before we ended the video. Please take a moment to read it before you make any buying decisions.